flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like this video and share this video. Today we'll be making a very fast and simple, delicious plantain and egg frittata with a lot of vegetables. So delicious. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So I have my ingredients already sorted out, diced my plantain, the peppers, sausage, carrot and spring onions. I'll be heating up some oil, and once it's hot, I'll fry the plantain until it is golden brown. So once it's golden brown, I'll set that aside. In a clean bowl, I'll be breaking my eggs. I used 6 eggs for this video. Here I'll be sauteing the vegetables. This is vegetable oil and onions. I'll fry that for a while. Then I'll go in with the red pepper and green pepper. So I'll go in with the red pepper and green pepper. Fry it for about 2 minutes. Before I add the sausage and carrot. I'll stir everything together, then I'll go in with the sweet corn and green beans. Stir everything together. So you can see in the video I removed some sausages and set them aside. Don't worry because I'll still be using it later in the video. And lastly, I'll be adding the spring onions. Add some seasoning cubes to my vegetables, salt, and stir everything together. Now I'll be adding little salt to the eggs too. And be careful not to over salt the vegetables. So once that is ready, I'll add it to the eggs I already broke in a plate. Mix everything together. So in the same frying pan, I'll be adding little oil and the egg mixture. Allow it to set, then carefully arrange the fried plantain till the egg surface is covered. Once I arrange the plantain, I'll be adding the sausage that I removed earlier. I add it to it and some spring onions just to garnish the surface. Cover it for a bit for it to be ready. Let it steam together. Once it's ready, you can decide to cut it with a pizza cutter into pizza slices, and you can decide to eat it like that. Then the frittata is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with any drink of your choice. Tea, beverages, soft drink, yogurt. See you again in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.